Okay, for this kind of question, when the variable you're looking for, x, is up here in a power, the only way to bring this down, the only way is to take logarithms. Okay, so you take logarithms of both sides. So you take log of the left side equals log of the right side. Now, it doesn't matter what base you take, as long as the base you take here is the same as the base you take there. And I'm going to choose base 3. Okay, it just makes things a little bit easier. Okay, but it has to be the same base. Okay, now remember there's a rule in logs. If you've got log x to the base n, you can write that as n log x. So the power can become a coefficient. You can multiply. So the same thing applies here. This power can become a multiplier. So we can bring the power down. So we can now rewrite that as x plus 8 times log to the base 3 of 3. Because the power's gone, so all that remains is 1. So that 3 is that 3. And that's equal to x plus 4 times log to the base 3 of 6. Same reason, this x plus 4 is now here, leaving just 6 to the power 1. Now, this was really problematic because our x was up as a power, but now our x, it's just a linear equation, and we can solve this really easily. So log 3 to the base 3, that's just equal to 1. Log 6 to the base 3, you can leave it as log 6 to the base 3, or you can calculate it in a calculator. But to have an exact value, you just leave that. What I would do would be to multiply each of these terms by log 6 to expand the brackets. So you'd have x plus 8 equals log 6 to the base 3 times x plus 4 log 6 to the base 3. And remember, we're trying to find x, so we need to collect all the terms that have x at the same side of the equal sign. So we'll have x minus x log 6 equals 4 log 6, and this 8 we can take to the other side, so we can just subtract 8. And remember, we're looking for x, so you can take x as a common factor, x into 1 minus log 6 equals 4 log 6 minus 8. Now, because you're looking for x, you can divide both sides by this thing which isn't x. So you can divide both sides by that. And that allows you to cancel that with that. And your final step is simply to say x equals 4 log 6 minus 8 divided by 1 log 6. So this is your final answer. if you wanted an exact answer. But if you wanted the numerical answer, you can just put that in your calculator and that'll give you the numerical value. But if you wanted an exact answer, then what you have here should be good enough. Okay, I hope you found that helpful.